UMIDIGI A11 introduces a flat-edged metal frame and matte glass back, bringing you a thinner and more comfortable hand feeling. It also adopts the stylish big logo design, making you stand out from the crowd. Inspired by natural phenomena, UMIDIGI A11 comes in two colors, mist blue and frost gray. Achieve the anti-reflective and anti-fingerprint effects on UMIDIGI A11 through the matte glass process for the first time. The glass back shows an advanced matte visual impact with a delicate and comfortable finish. Immersive yourself in the 29 aspect ratio 6.53-inch large full-screen display, whether you're watching movies or playing games. While the in-cell technology gives you brilliant color and wide viewing angles. The new upgraded infrared thermometer sensor makes the body temperature readings more precise than ever. You can quickly take body temperature and monitor physical health anytime and anywhere. Capture the whole world in one shot. 120 degrees ultra-wide-angle camera backed by a 120 degrees ultra-wide-angle camera. UMIDIGI A11 lets you discover more of your stories and capture what your eyes see in one shot.